Mommy made it because it has a tag. It has a tag.
You don't like the tag? What's the matter with that tag? Bugs you?
Yeah, it does bug me.
What else bugs you in life? What other things bother you?
Straps.
Straps?
When they fall on my shoulders.
Straps? Oh boy. You're gonna be in trouble when you get to wear a bra, aren't you? Chelsea? You're gonna have trouble when you have to wear a bra? No? Why not?